Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome to the video tutorials of codandtest.com. In this video we'll learn about text properties in CSS. Text properties in CSS. Okay. Using text properties we can control the text spacing, text decoration, alignment, or we can transform uppercase letters to lowercase letters or lowercase letters to uppercase letters. Okay, the text properties in CSS are letter spacing, text decoration, text align, text transform, text spacing, and word indent. Okay, not text spacing, sorry, word spacing, text indent. Okay, text properties in CSS are letter spacing, text decoration, text align, text transform, word spacing, and text indent. Okay, we'll learn this one by one. First, letter spacing. And one more thing, in example.html I have a little paragraph here. Hi there, visit codandtest.com. okay, the same line written 5 times. So let's just see that. Okay, this is a normal example. Let's write CSS code. Letter spacing first. Okay, now letter, letter spacing, letter spacing, and the value could be normal or length. Okay, length in will first write normal here. Okay, and let's see, refresh. So nothing special there because it's normal, or it can be a value. Okay, in megapixels, let's say in pixels, sorry, in px. I'll save that and I'll refresh it here. See here, looks ridiculous, isn't it? Let me change that. Let me give just 5 megapixels and I'll save that, refresh it. See there, so there's a difference. Okay, so that's letter spacing property for you guys. All right, and the next is text decoration. Okay, text decoration. Okay, and the value could be underline, overline, line through. Okay, or blink. Could be underline. Okay, I'll save that and I'll refresh it here. See here, hi there, visit codandtest.com is underlined. Okay, or it could be overline. See, the line is above the text now, or line through. Line through. Okay, okay, line through. Okay, okay, so that's text decoration property for you guys. And the next thing is text align. Text align could be left, right, center, or justify. Okay, this is left, Now let's see text align right. Okay, well, let me just write, just let me delete this. Okay, now see here, text is aligned right. Okay, or we could also have center here, or justify. Okay, center. So now the text is aligned center. Okay, so that's text align property in CSS. And the next thing is text transform. Text transform. Okay, and the value could be capitalize, uppercase or lowercase. First let's see capitalize. Oops, capitalize LIZE. Okay, let me save that. Okay, refresh it. See here, this is capitalized. H is capital, T is capital here, V is capital, C is capital, and C is capital. Okay, in the original sentence, see here, only H was capital. Okay, but in the output we have H capital, T capital, V capital, C capital, and C capital. So that's capitalized. Okay, and uppercase, we'll save that and refresh here. So the sentence is in capital letters now, is in uppercase. And now lower case, and refresh it. See here, even high, I mean H of high is also lowercase now. Excuse me guys. So that's text transform in CSS. Okay, and the next thing is word spacing. Word spacing, SPACING, spacing. Okay, and the value could be normal or it could be a number in pixels. Okay, let's first write normal here, and let's save this. So hi there, visit codentest.com, that's normal, or it could be a number in pixels, let's say 5 pixels. Word spacing, this is space between the words. Okay, see here, space between the words is more now. Let's give 20 pixels. See there, high is there, lots of space there, lots of space, visit, lots of space, codentest.com. Okay, that's word spacing for you guys in CSS. And next thing is text indent. Okay, text INDENT, indent. Okay, and the value could be a number in pixels or percentage. Okay, let's just save this. Okay, see here, the sentence is not starting here at the right, it's starting, there is some space here. Okay, so let me just write 100 pixels here so that the difference is drastic. See here, so lots of space is there. Hi there, visit codentest.com. So that is text indentation. Okay, or we could give a percentage here, it's like 50%. Okay, see here, so that's text indent property in CSS. So I hope that's clear. That's how we can control the text spacing, text decoration. We can align text to right, center, or we can justify it, or we can transform upper letters to lower letters, or lower letters to upper letters. I mean uppercase to lower cases, lower cases to upper cases. Okay. And the text properties in CSS are letter spacing, text decoration, text align, text transform, word spacing, and text indent. Okay, so that's all in this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next video.